In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank deposit payment method in Shopify, providing your customers with a convenient and straightforward way to pay for their purchases. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the page. Here you will find the Settings button. Go ahead and click on this to open the Settings menu. After the Settings menu has opened up on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of options. Look for Payments and give that a click. This section is where you'll manage all the various payment methods that your store accepts. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll notice a part labeled Manual Payment Methods. These types of payments are handled by you, the store owner, rather than by Shopify itself. This is exactly what we need in order to set up a bank deposit. Now, it's time to add a new manual payment method. You will see a button to add a new one. Click on that to proceed. When the new window appears, you're going to see a selection of options for manual payments. Here, you will choose Bank Deposit. This option allows your customers to transfer funds directly to your bank account, serving as a convenient alternative to credit card payments for those who prefer or require another method. Once you've chosen Bank Deposit, a new section will appear for your bank deposit details. Here, you can enter all the necessary information your customers will need to complete a payment via bank deposit. It's important to be as detailed and clear as possible while entering these instructions. Specify the bank account number, the bank name, and any additional information that will help your customers deposit money in the right place. Including payment references or instructions for the customer to follow will help ensure that their payments are correctly attributed to their orders. After you've filled out all the necessary details, the final step is to activate this new payment method. Look for the Activate button and click on it. When you see the confirmation that the method has been activated successfully, you're all set. And there you go. That's all there is to it. You've now set up a bank deposit as a payment method for your Shopify store. This will provide your customers with more options when they reach checkout, potentially enhancing your customer base by accommodating different payment preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more Shopify tips and tricks.